Mga kaibigan, meron pong official statement ang Pangulo regarding sa paghuli ni PRRD kahapon, na kung saan hinuli po siya through arrest warrant ng ICC. At the same time, kasama po ang Interpol at PNP, no? So medyo naguluhan lang ako sa press con niya kagabi. So kung bakit ako naguluhan, panoorin niyo po ang video na to.
Interpol Manila received an official copy of the ICC warrant. This prompted the Prosecutor General of the Department of Justice to serve the warrant. Interpol asked for help, and we obliged because we have commitments to the Interpol, which we have to fulfill. If we don't do that, they will no longer help us with other cases involving Filipino fugitives abroad. This is what the international community expects of us as the leader of a democratic country that is part of the community of nations. So I'm sure that the details that surround this what has happened today are familiar to you. I just wanted to make very, very clear and give you the facts from the departure of former President Duterte from the Philippines. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Kanina po ay nagpaabot ng tanong ang mga miyembro ng Malacanang Press Corps at atin po itong sasagutin. Question number 1. Mr. President, meron po bang pisikal na kopya ng warrant of arrest laban kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte mula sa ICC?
Oh, meron. This came in. Actually, it came in. I received it from Secretary Remulla. I received it at 3 a.m. last night. And,
3 a.m. last night. Okay, replay po natin yung sinabi niya na. Doon mismo sa katanungan ng isang reporter.
Mr. President, meron po bang pisikal na kopya ng warrant of arrest laban kay dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte mula sa ICC?
Oh.
Meron bang physical na warrant of arrest para kay President Rodrigo Roa Duterte? Okay, ang tanong, yun yung tanong. Ang sagot naman niya, oo, meron.
I received it from Secretary Remulla.
Huwag kayong kukurap, ha?
I received it at 3 a.m. last night. And
I received at 3 a.m. Oh, na-receive daw niya 3 a.m. 3 a.m. AM stands for 3 a.m. stands for anti-meridim. So, means before midday. Oh, anong sabi? Anti-meridim. That means, it means before midday. 3 a.m. yung sinabi niya, ha?
I received it at 3 a.m. last night.
Last night.
And
Gusto ko balik-balikan to, eh.
And we went back and forth.
I received it 3 a.m. I received it at 3 a.m. last night. Iwan ko ba sa Pangulo na to? Patuloy natin. Para sa kaalaman po ng lahat, ang EM po na sinabi ni PBBM stands for anti-meridim. In Latin word po yan, no? It means before midday. So kapag sinabi mo naman pong PM, ang PM naman po ay post-meridim or after midday or the time after afternoon. The time afternoon. Yun po ang kaibahan ng EM and PM. Just to clarify po the statement of BBM, no? Kasi parang siya hindi niya naintindihan yung mga sinasabi niya. Kapag wala pong monitor, walang binabasa, iwan ko ba? Parang nawawala siya sa mga sinasabi niya.
And we went back and forth. 6:30, he wrote me again and he said, we have it already. We have the warrant of arrest from Interpol. And I said, okay, we'll put all our plans into place and sige, let's proceed as we had discussed. Now, that's what happened. So yes, there is a very clear document that will explain that will explain the basis on how we conducted this arrest of former President Duterte.
So, alam ko na maraming parang nasasaktan sa mga nangyari ngayon. Sana po ay pag-pray na lang po natin yung magiging kahinatnan nito. Sana po ay nasa mabuting kalagayan po si PRRD, no, habang lulan siya ng eroplano patungong ICC ngayon. Papunta na po sila ng The Hague. At the same time, maybe hintayin na lang po natin yung mga further updates po, no, kung kailan yung hearing niya sa ICC, no. Possible susunod yung mga abogado ni PRRD niyan. So, pag-pray po natin yung kalusugan niya at the same time, yung ating bansa, no. Hearing pa naman po ito, hindi pa po ito final verdict po, no, na mahatulan agad ng guilty. So, mayroon pang mga hearing na gaganapin. So, sipot lang po tayo mga kaibigan at pag-pray lang po natin na mabuti pong magiging mabuti po ang kalalabasan ng hearing sa ICC ni PRRD. Patuloy po nating suportahan ang ating dating Pangulo na si Rodrigo Roa Duterte, mga kaibigan. Okay? Maraming salamat po.